Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Gumtree how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Gumtree app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged in, what you need to do is tap on the My Gumtree icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to your settings page. Now once you are here, what you need to do is select the option that says account settings on the top right below my account, and on tapping you'll be sent to your account's details. Now what you need to do here is scroll all the way down, and then under account you'll find an option that says deactivate my account. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping you'll find these options. Now all you gotta do is select the option that you want, and on selecting it you'll be seeing the option that says send deactivation mail. Now all you gotta do is tap on this and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.